a really quick one today. A little hauls. I know it's been a minute since you guys have seen me. First things first. My Swarovskis. So, Hobby Lobby had a sale. Buy one, get one, have 50. Oh no, everything was 50% off. I'm lying. This was over the weekend. So of course I only bought 4. Mainly because I have so many crystals, regular AB rhinestones, and then I have a few Swarovskis already, but also because sis is broke, so I only bought 4. Anyway, look how pretty. Plus, if I would have bought more of these because they have 3 sizes, so they come in 12, SS12, SS16, SS20, and for that price, that's pretty good. These are just like the crystal flat back, which I love. It shows you it's flat back, so it's easy to just adhere to a nail. So then I just bought a 40-piece 16 and then another 30-piece of 20. Of course, the bigger, the less you get. But these were from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has decent Swarovskis, like really nice, and they often have a sale. But what I noticed, maybe it's just me, because look, these are my other, except for the last 2 containers, these are my other Swarovskis that I bought from them. And then I have this container that I bought from Phil. Well, I didn't buy the containers from them, but they're filled with Swarovskis. And these are all also Swarovski crystals. But these are the AB ones. So these 1, 2, this is empty. 3 is AB. I'm probably going to put these in this one because that one's the empty one. But these are all from Hobby Lobby. Now, what I noticed about Hobby Lobby, see, these are some more Swarovskis. What I noticed about Hobby Lobby is I don't see them for the same 50% off in online. They are usually when you go in the store, you'll see them. So like when I know the 50% off sale was still going on, so I was like, okay, maybe I'll go ahead and use my credit card this time and buy some more. But maybe God was like, no, sis, because when I went to log in, Hobby Lobby went to look, they weren't listed as on sale. They weren't. But the ad set that's online shows that certain beading and jewelry type making, because this is in the jewelry making aisle, that they're 50% off. So I'm just like, what? And I left the store that day and everything was 50% off. So boo Hobby Lobby that it's not online. But if you're near a Hobby Lobby, definitely check them out. Go in the store, check them out. They usually have some decent sales, and that's when I pick up my Swarovskis from them, when they have 50% off everything, or when they have buy one get one 50% off. So that's that. Then I got my new Pana Drill Bit, my carbide drill bit. This is a medium. I like I don't have any that's this shape. You see this cone type shape? I want to really try it. I think it's really good, that shape, that size, if you can see, to hit the cuticle area, and then you can also just file down like a 2-in-1 kind of thing. This has 5-in-1, but only because the drill bit I have, one of them is being cleaned, but this one I don't remember where I got it from, but you see how it's like stripping, and I'm just like, I don't want to use that like coating that's coming off. Anywho, and then I do have my safety drill bits like these, which I do love, but for me, I don't get around the cuticle as good with these. That's just me. Other people, I'm sure, you know, they're just really good. They're good at making sure they lay the acrylic down properly so that they don't really have to go too high around the cuticle. But I'm still getting better, but I still need something like this to really hit the cuticle area and get it real flush. So, but that's me. So next, I'm gonna show you my diamond. I finally got one, guys. I like it. I'm gonna leave the link. I think I got it from Amazon. I was looking for the right sized one. I think this is the perfect size. Don't mind, my nails are trash. They're gonna get done. This is the perfect size one, I feel. And then this thing that I use to it's supposed to be used to hold my brushes. I never use it to hold brushes, so I'm just using it to, you know, hold my diamond like that. If you can see, yeah, that's how I'm using it now. Anyway, so yes, I'm gonna leave a link for this. This I got from Amazon. I forgot what the millimeter diameter size it is, but I'm gonna leave all my links below except for these, because like I said, this was Hobby Lobby in store. This Pana brush was Amazon. And then I have my Aliexpress haul. You know, guys, you know I love my Aliexpress. Boom. These are so pretty. So I got my hearts. I'm gonna show you the hearts first. I got my hearts for Valentine's Day. So you know I ordered these in like the end of December. So they're here now. Just in time for Valentine's Day. Like I said, when you're ordering from AliExpress, you have to make sure you're ordering ahead of time so that you can get stuff for specific days. Like I know Valentine's Day is coming, so I ordered these hearts, like I said, at the end of December. And today is like what, the third week in January, and they just came. So that goes to show you. But look how pretty. Like I love, this is my favorite one. This one, and I'll show you which one else. But I love the colorful one. Then I have like this one, like pearl finish, iridescent kind of thing. So pretty. And I love this one too. I love them all. That's why I bought them. Look how pretty. I absolutely love this purple one. Like, these are hearts. It's probably hard to tell because of how they shine, but look at the shine. And this blue, like, you know, we all know Valentine's Day, we get the cutesy, the pinks and the purples and the reds. But this, I think these are going to be my Valentine's Day nails. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so that's the heart. And then I ordered the, let me see. Here we go. I ordered the circles. So it's the same, like, it's just, like you can tell, see. They just do in different cuts. So I ordered hearts and I ordered the circles. What I do with these, even maybe some of the hearts or whatever, I will, when I do my glitter mixes, I'll just throw little, like different sizes or shapes in my mixes. I don't know, it gives it, it makes the glitter just look that much better. So if you're mixing glitters, you can of course stick to the same shape. You can make a glitter mix with just something like these and maybe a matching color in here and it will still be bomb. But I like to mix and match. So I will take circles if I got hexagons or rhombuses, and I'll mix a little bit of everything. For example, let me show you real quick. So like I would mix stuff like these, my mailer flakes in there sometimes. Or what I mean, you see how I have the rhombus, or I have hexagons and stuff like that. I would throw those in with a mixture of these, and then I have glitters like these, and just kind of like play with it. And then you'll get a nice, like super nice, you'll get a super nice glitter mix that has different dimensions. So there's different things to look at when the light catches it. There's like different things to look at. If I sound far away, sorry guys. So yeah, and then the other glitter I got were these. Once again, I got it for Valentine's Day. I think these are really pretty Valentine's Day colors. These are their numbers on the bottom. Very like rosy kind of color. I like this. I guess you can say it's a rose gold, but that's not a true rose gold to me, but isn't it pretty? And you see how these mixes also have fine glitter, chunky glitter. I think mixing glitters makes the actual glitter mix better. That's just me. Anyway, these also came from AliExpress. Like I said, I ordered these bad boys at the end of December. Okay? So don't go to AliExpress now for February 14th, because people are going to want their nails done before Valentine's Day. So you would want to, not for nothing, you kind of should have already ordered it, but you can still order it just to have it. Like, I love these. Next, I know I sound far away. These containers, love them. Like, absolutely, oh my God, I can't talk. Love them. So they come in their own container box, but then they have the individual containers in them, and I love it. Like, I love it. I put my glitters in here, and it's easy to see. If you want, you can even put your rhinestones in here. There's a few nail techs that I follow on YouTube. That's what they do. They put their Swarovski crystals in here so they can see it. So definitely pick this up, especially if you have the Alex drawer unit. I have an Alex drawer unit for my nail desk, which that tour is coming up, guys. My new nail desk tour. So I have an Alex drawer unit, and these you can fit a few of these in the drawer at a time, and I love them. So Amazon. I will leave the link for these containers down below as well. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Oh, I have to show you. So I love Aliexpress because some of their suppliers, they send a little gift, thank you cards with 10% off. These two came when I got my glitters. So this is so cute. They gave me little female slices. I've never used female slices. Isn't that crazy? I use everything else. I've never used these. So definitely, you know, I might do a little practice nail, a little pina colada mix with these female slices. They're really cute. Definitely, I feel like these are awesome for, you know, your summertime nails. Absolutely. Because look at all the, like, tropical fruits in here. They have bananas, kiwi, grapefruit, watermelon, apples. Like, this is really, really pretty. And then, of course, they always send you something like these little stickers. I barely use these for myself or an adult client, I guess I'd say. But I don't throw these away. These are good to have. So if you ever do, I don't know, because it happens, you'll have a client and they'll come in with their daughter and their daughter wants their nails done. These are like really cute accents you can put on a little girl's nails to make them feel special without giving them like bling or anything like that. And like for these, especially these that came free, like I didn't pay for these, I wouldn't charge a client that comes in with their daughter and, you know, just whatever, because, you know, they're like little nail stickers. But back. Sorry, I record on my phone and had a call, so I had to go. Anyway, this is my little nail haul, as you guys can see. Aliexpress, Amazon, Hobby Lobby. I'll be leaving all the necessary links down below, as usual. Also, guys, we are about to hit 200 scrubs. Subs, yay! And of course, as promised, once I hit my 200 subs, we will be doing a Kiara Sky giveaway. Yes, people, this is some Kiara Sky dip powders. I have not used it, did not use it. I'm not big on dip powder myself. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm just not. But I know there are others who would love this giveaway, who would love to use it. And I would love to give it. So here it is. I will be leaving the rules for that giveaway. Once we hit 200, I will do what I did before. I will be having a giveaway. And yeah, so once we hit that 200 sub mark, I will then do, like I did before, the rules will be in a random video. It will be in the middle of a video. So you actually have to be a sub that watches my videos to know the rules so that you can actually win this prize. Okay? That way a true subscriber actually gets, you know, my viewer really gets something really nice. So yeah. Keep watching, keep liking, subscribing, and sharing. I love you guys so very much. And also, I will be doing a new nail desk tour soon. You guys will be able to see the new setup. This is just a preview. I'm not giving you everything. Yeah. You guys are going to see my new nail studio, which isn't really a studio because it's in my house, but I'm going to call it a nail studio because it's mine. Anyway, and my new nail desk and my new setup, my Alex drawers, my boyfriend putting things together. You're going to get the whole shebang. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much. And until next time, bye, kitties.